When you look at how Tough designs its tools, one thing becomes very clear. It's not just about individual performance, it's about building a complete, connected workflow. That's why today, we're here with some new Toughbuilt tools that you can get in 2026. The Toughbuilt Post Hole Digger is where serious groundwork begins, and it's built to handle more than just basic digging. The first thing you notice is its lightweight composite handle, which gives you strength without the usual fatigue that comes with heavier steel tools. But the real power lies in its heavy-gauge steel blades, reinforced with rivets to handle tough, compact soil without bending or losing shape. This makes it extremely effective for digging fence post holes, deck footings, or even deeper planting holes where precision matters. The engineered pivot bolt plays a huge role here. It allows the blades to open and close smoothly with less effort, which becomes a big advantage when you're repeating the same motion over and over. Add to that the large ergonomic molded grips, and you get better control, especially when the soil gets stubborn. After you've broken and lifted the soil, the job naturally shifts to clearing and moving that material, and that's exactly where the next tool comes in. The Toughbuilt Transfer Shovel with D-handle takes over seamlessly once the ground has been opened up. Instead of struggling to move loose soil, gravel, or sand, this shovel is optimized to make that process faster and more efficient. Its squared-tip blade, made from heat-treated carbon steel, gives it both strength and a wide working surface, allowing you to scoop larger amounts in a single motion. The deep, angular cup design is especially useful because it holds materials securely, reducing spillage and wasted effort during transfer. What really sets it apart is the 34-inch shaved octagonal composite handle paired with a D-grip. This combination provides excellent control and stability, especially when lifting heavier loads or working in awkward positions. It feels solid in your hands and reduces the chances of slipping even during demanding tasks. Together with the post hole digger, it forms a highly efficient digging and clearing system, preparing the workspace for the next stage, cutting and shaping materials. That's where the Toughbuilt 610mm handsaw steps in, bringing precision and efficiency to cutting tasks. This isn't just a basic saw, it's designed to maximize performance with every stroke. The high-carbon steel blade ensures durability, while the electro-coated finish reduces friction, meaning smoother cuts and less resistance when working through timber. The triple-edged tooth design plays a key role here by quickly clearing debris from the cut, allowing for faster and cleaner operation. On top of that, the induction-hardened teeth stay sharp for much longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. But what really makes this saw stand out is how practical it is on site. The integrated ruler and preset angles, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and 30 degrees, allow you to measure and mark directly without switching tools, saving time and effort. The injection molded handle is built for comfort and control even during extended use, and the added storage for a carpenter pencil or scribe keeps essentials right where you need them. Once cutting is done, the workflow naturally shifts toward finishing, trimming, and cleanup, and that's where versatility becomes key. The Toughbuilt Scraper Utility Knife is one of those tools that quickly becomes indispensable because it handles multiple jobs without needing a switch. Its patented 2-in-1 design allows you to transform it from a utility knife into a scraper with just a thumb press, which is incredibly useful when moving between tasks. In scraper mode, it easily removes paint, adhesive, labels, and even stubborn residue from surfaces like glass, tile, or metal. Switch to knife mode, and it becomes a precise cutting tool for materials like carpet, cardboard, plastic, vinyl, or rope. The quick change blade system is designed for efficiency, letting you swap blades in seconds without hassle. The rugged, non-slip rubber handle ensures a firm grip, while the finger guard adds an extra layer of safety during cutting tasks. Small details like the built-in paint can opener and lanyard loop make it even more practical on site. After handling cutting and finishing tasks, keeping everything organized becomes the next priority. That's where the Toughbuilt 3-piece Clip-Tech hub system becomes essential. Instead of dealing with scattered tools or inefficient storage, these hubs act as a central connection point for your entire setup. They allow Clip-Tech pouches to attach securely to belts, tool bags, wall organizers, or even directly onto structures like joists or workshop walls. This flexibility means you can customize your setup depending on the job, carry what you need on your belt, store the rest in your van, or organize everything neatly in your workspace. The rugged steel pivot pins ensure durability even with frequent use, while the quick attach system makes switching tools fast and effortless. It creates a smooth transition between tasks, keeping your workflow uninterrupted. When the job keeps you close to the ground for long periods, the Toughbuilt knee pad range becomes more than just an accessory, it becomes a necessity. These knee pads are designed with layered protection systems that combine tough outer shells with comfortable inner padding, often using gel or high-density foam. This combination not only protects your knees from rough surfaces, but also distributes pressure evenly, reducing fatigue over time. Some designs even include stabilizing features that improve balance and prevent shifting while you work. Whether you're digging, installing, or finishing surfaces, they allow you to stay comfortable and focused, which directly impacts productivity. Once all your tools are in use, moving them efficiently becomes the next challenge. And the Toughbuilt StackTech 4-wheel cart solves that perfectly. Designed specifically for StackTech toolboxes, it allows them to lock securely into place, eliminating the risk of shifting during transport. The 4 heavy-duty swivel casters make maneuvering through tight job site spaces smooth and effortless, while the locking front wheels provide stability when needed. Built from high-performance polymer, the cart is tough enough to handle daily wear and tear. It also includes tie-down points, giving you additional security when transporting heavier loads. It's a key part of maintaining an efficient mobile workflow. For more refined or compact cutting needs, the Toughbuilt folding pull saw adds another layer of versatility. Its smart design integrates blade storage directly into the handle, making it both portable and practical. The double-edged blade gives you 2 cutting options, a fine 17 TPI edge for smooth, clean finishes, and a progressive 7 to 10 TPI edge for faster, more aggressive cuts. The steel substructure increases rigidity, ensuring straighter cuts with less effort. It's especially useful in tight spaces or for detailed work where a larger saw might not be practical. Precision becomes critical during installation, and the Toughbuilt 100-foot cross-line laser level ensures everything lines up perfectly. Its bright green laser projects highly visible horizontal and vertical lines, making layout tasks faster and more accurate. The self-leveling feature automatically adjusts, while the out-of-level indicator alerts you if something isn't right. With a range of up to 100 feet and durable IP54 protection, it's built to perform reliably in tough environments. The included mounting clamp with micro adjustments allows for fine positioning, making it an essential tool for accurate setups. When the job turns more demanding, the Toughbuilt Demolition driver is built to handle the pressure. Its solid core construction and steel end cap are designed to withstand heavy impacts, making it ideal for demolition and HVAC tasks. The duct piercing tip allows for quick penetration and cutting of light gauge metal, adding to its versatility. The chrome-plated shank resists rust, ensuring long-term durability even in harsh conditions. It's the tool you reach for when precision alone isn't enough and force is required. Handling heavy loads efficiently is where the Toughbuilt StackTech convertible hand truck truly shines. Its ability to switch between 2-wheel hand truck and 4-wheel cart makes it incredibly versatile. Whether you're moving stacked toolboxes or bulky materials, it adapts to the situation. With a high weight capacity, puncture-proof wheels, and a lightweight aluminum frame, it delivers both strength and ease of use. It's the backbone of transporting your entire setup across the job site. Finally, the Toughbuilt Tamper brings everything full circle by finishing the groundwork process. After digging and filling, proper compaction is essential, and this tool is built for exactly that. Its heavy cast steel head delivers strong, consistent force with each strike, while the composite handle focuses that force efficiently into the ground. The ergonomic grip helps reduce shock to your arms and shoulders, making repetitive use more manageable. It ensures a solid, level surface, completing the foundation work you started at the very beginning.
Cutting or assembling long pieces of wood or metal can turn into a struggle when the material wobbles, bends, or slides around. Roller stands take that problem out of the equation by giving you steady, adjustable support exactly where you need it. Height-adjustable legs let you match them to your workbench or saw table, while smooth rolling action lets you move heavy or awkward pieces without straining. Built tough to handle serious weight without wobbling, these stands keep everything level and balanced, so cuts stay straight and assemblies stay precise. Perfect for framing, cutting, or furniture projects, roller stands make tough jobs faster, safer, and far less frustrating, giving you the stability and control that standard setups simply cannot. Non-stop hammering can leave wrists sore, arms stiff, and create those ouch moments when a nail refuses to go in straight. Toughbuilt hammers reduce the strain while giving more control and precision. Shock-absorbent handles soak up vibration with every swing, easing fatigue on wrists and elbows so you can work longer without discomfort. Perfectly balanced weight makes each hit feel natural, ensuring nails go exactly where you aim. Some models include a magnetic nail starter, letting you hold a nail with one hand while hammering safely with the other, keeping fingers out of harm's way. Whether framing walls, finishing projects, or hanging items around the house, Toughbuilt hammers make work smoother, faster, and far less taxing on the body. Smart design and durable construction allow these hammers to handle real job site demands with ease and reliability. Eyeballing a wall, fence, or row of pavers almost always leads to mistakes, but the aluminum 48-inch Mason's level takes the guesswork out of the job. Its long, precise frame gives accurate readings across bigger surfaces, so you know instantly what is straight and what is off. Lightweight yet strong aluminum construction keeps it from bending or weighing you down, while large, clear bubble vials make quick, precise measurements easy even when you're moving fast. Perfect for masonry, framing, or any layout work where accuracy matters, the aluminum 48-inch Mason's level helps get clean, professional results every time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or tackling DIY projects, it acts like a reliable guide, showing exactly when adjustments are needed and helping you lock in perfect angles without stress or second-guessing.
That's a wrap on Toughbuilt tools that are on another level. Which of these tools caught your eye the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews, tips, and the latest in tools. Thanks for watching.